How to send camera roll pictures at Snap on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send photos from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. It's super simple, so let's get it started. So first, open the Snapchat on your phone. To begin, tap on Snap button at the bottom of the screen and quickly take a snap. And you can release the button once you have captured it. Next, tap the plus sign in the bottom left corner where your snap thumbnail is displayed. From here, select the Import Media option, which you will find on the right side at the bottom just under the flash icon, and this will open your phone camera roll. Now from here, browse your camera roll and pick the photo you want to send as a snap. And once you have selected it, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to confirm. Now go back to the snap you just took, locate it in the bottom left corner and tap on it, and then tap the trash icon to delete that snap. This step ensures only your imported photo remains. And at this point, your selected photo is ready. Tap on preview to check it out. You can add text, stickers, or make any other edit using the tools on the right side. And once you are happy with your snap, it's time to share it. Tap the send button and choose the person or group you want to share your snap with. You can simply press send and that's it. You have successfully sent a photo from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.